that. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling.
Welcome to another vlog, people. It's cloudy and maybe slightly drizzling Saturday morning. So yeah, I'm not heading for a ride or something. Just going for a wedding which is about 110 kilometers from home. Well, I don't know the guy who is getting married, but he's my friend's friend who is there. So yeah, I'll see you on the highway. Okay, so it looks while doing the speed run I missed a diversion, and I guess my friend has taken a diversion towards the left. Let me just give him a call. Damn it. I think I should be able to take this left and join him somewhere on the way. Oh god, this is not good. He is on the center, so he should pick up the phone. So let's start going now. It's a nice long sweeping corner over here. You see on the left over here is a nice big one. Let's see how well you can take it. It is recording. Okay, you all set? Let's go. Stop for some tea, and it also looks like it's rained. It has rained over here. No, good water. We just reached the church. I think this is the one where the wedding or the ring exchange, whatever they do. Yeah, this is the Holy Cross. This is the one. That's right. It's a little weird getting into a church, a wedding church, with all your riding gear and all that. So we're dressed up in jeans and t-shirts. It's pretty funny. Let's see where we can park our bikes. They're going to look at us in a weird way. Anyways, we will park the bikes here. I will check in a bit.
We have just reached the church. I can't scream, so we'll go inside and see. Okay.
Sacrament, so that you may assume the duties of marriage in mutual and lasting fidelity. And so, in the presence of the church, I ask you to state your.
So, like you saw, that was the what is it called? Prayer. Taking oath between the Bible and stuff. So I have to stay a little calm and low. I can't shout. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. this is the scene over here right now. We are having this guy escorted to the wedding hall. We're going to have our lunch. It's a little weird for the first time we're doing this. Feels like a bloody celebrity. There are these drones which are flying up and very nicely arranged. Unfortunately, I can't show you the drone right now which is in front of me because the camera is facing the back. So yeah.
So we just come for a quick lunch. This guy has said there will be good non-veg lunch. He said appam mutton, but looking at this leaf, I think it's only going to be pure veg.
Like what? What is it? There's something you asked and not.
So we're just waiting to give the gifts, not gifts, gift. So finally, all the wedding, what do you call it, rituals? Sorry, wedding procedure is all done. So we are heading back to Bangalore now, and it's about to rain, as you can see on top. Hopefully it doesn't rain because I'm not carrying any rain gear, whereas my friend is carrying all the rain gear. Never mind. So we'll have a good ride back home, and I think I will end the vlog maybe here. No? Okay, let's see. Somewhere on the way I will end the vlog, and this vlog will be live today, maybe by midnight. Cheers.
रिकल गोते उठा गलगले पलचिन पल बलक मिटा मेला लोकले